Okay, today we've got a 37 Bristol in the CNC. This is a babbited engine. We sent it out, had it babbited, but the thrust bearing is not finished. So I've got to machine that thrust down where it fits the crank. Got it cut on both sides. And I'm doing this with a right angle head. The block's in there, level, indicated in front, left to right. So I'm just going to come in there and take a 10-thou cut just to show you the process. Cutter starts in the middle, just comes out. At the start point, and then it's going to mill basically a circle all the way around and cut that thrust. Now when I finish this side, I've got to turn the head around in the spindle and come in, do the same on the other side until I reach the correct width. Now after we get this finished, I'm going to put the crank in the block, lay the crank in the block right in the machine to determine where our rear seal adapter is going to go. We're converting this to a full round seal, and this has to go in the back of the block. So I've got to machine all the back of the block out to do that. Now our cutter is almost at the end of its travel. Where it started, it's kind of back to center, back out, and up. And that's how that's done.